Addis Ababa, New Flower, also known as Finfinne, is the capital and largest city of Ethiopia. According to the 2007 census, the city has a population of 2,739,551 inhabitants. As a chartered city, Addis Ababa also serves as the capital city of the Oromia Region. It is where the African Union is headquartered and where its predecessor, the Organization of African Unity, was based. It also hosts the headquarters of the United Nations Economic Commission for Africa, as well as various other continental and international organizations. Addis Ababa is therefore often referred to as the political capital of Africa for its historical, diplomatic, and political significance for the continent. The city lies a few miles west of the East African Rift, which splits Ethiopia into two, between the Nubian Plate and the Somali Plate. The city is surrounded by the Special Zone of Oromia and populated by people from different regions of Ethiopia. It is home to Addis Ababa University. Prior to the establishment of present-day Addis Ababa, the location was called Finfinne in the Oromo language, which attests the presence of hot springs. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.